So I could ask Gemini. Okay, I have to. How is the weather today in Cyprus, Larnaca? That's the volume. Can you speak to me? I have to press the... Can you speak to me? Okay, so you could set it up to make it work through the speaker.
I'm here, and I'm ready to chat. However, I currently communicate through text. If you're using a mobile device or a platform that supports it, you can also use features like Gemini Live or voice input-output depending on your app settings to talk back and...
Okay, so is this Gemini Live now?
No, this is the standard text interface. You can switch to...
Okay. Switch to Gemini Live.
Tap the waveform live icon at the bottom right of your screen to switch.
Okay, so are we now in the Gemini Live mode?
Yes, we're in Gemini Live mode, ready to chat in real time.
Okay, so I'm making a video about Google Pixel 11 XL unboxing. I just unboxed it, I set it up. What do you think? It's a good phone to show in a YouTube video? Let's see.
Absolutely. Showing a brand new flagship like that is a fantastic way to grab attention and get people watching, especially with all the anticipation around new features and hardware specs.
Can you flash the notification LED for me? Make some rainbow light or something? Like make some interesting light effects?
I don't have the ability to control your phone's notification light or create light effects on your device.
Okay. Can you tell me how is the weather in Larnaca, and say something to the subscribers, to the viewers on the Ion How To web channel?
Let me check the weather for you. Right now in Larnaca, it's clear and around 88 degrees, though it feels quite a bit warmer.
I think I like this. Okay, say something to the viewers who are watching this video on YouTube.
To all the amazing viewers and subscribers of the You How To channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Stick around to see everything this new phone can do.
Yeah, it's You How To, Ion How To. Can you say Ion How To?
To all the amazing viewers and subscribers.
I have to press the... Okay, the battery was recording limit. Can you say Ion How To? Like Ion and like the physics, and How To like a How To channel, and say a message to the viewers, tell them hi or something interesting.
Hello to all the fantastic viewers of the Ion How To channel.
Oh,
Thanks
nice.
for tuning. Is that the name you wanted?
Yes, that's exactly the name. Continue.
You're in for a treat as we dive into what makes this new phone so special.
Okay, so that's it. Yeah, thanks to the Gemini Live feature. I think that's the Gemini Live. Yeah, this is the Gemini Live. Okay, so you always have this option here, and because the AI features are using the power button, you have to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and hold them. So I press them both together and hold it. So both together. So volume up and power at the same time. And now I have the power off menu and the restart. I could even choose to restart. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.